The 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 1050 is a testament to Suzuki's commitment to adventure touring, blending rugged performance with refined technology. Designed for riders who crave both long-distance comfort and off-road capability, this motorcycle stands as a formidable competitor in the adventure touring segment. The latest iteration of the V-Strom series brings updated styling, advanced electronics, and improved performance, making it an attractive choice for seasoned adventurers and newcomers alike. At the heart of the 2025 V-Strom 1050 is a 1037cc V-twin engine that delivers a robust mix of power and efficiency. Known for its reliability, this engine produces smooth and consistent power across the rev range, making it ideal for highway cruising and off-road exploration. Suzuki's fuel injection system ensures optimal fuel delivery, enhancing throttle response and fuel economy. The lightweight chassis, combined with a well-balanced suspension setup, provides a confident and stable ride, whether navigating winding mountain roads or tackling unpaved trails. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is the updated electronic suite, which includes Suzuki's Intelligent Ride System (SIRS). This system incorporates various rider aids, such as traction control, multiple riding modes, and cruise control, all designed to enhance safety and performance. The inclusion of a bi-directional quick shifter allows for seamless gear changes, reducing fatigue on long rides. Additionally, the updated cornering ABS system provides enhanced braking performance, ensuring greater control in unpredictable riding conditions. Ergonomics play a crucial role in the V-Strom 1050's appeal. Suzuki has designed the seat and handlebars for maximum comfort, making long-distance touring more enjoyable. The adjustable windscreen provides excellent wind protection, reducing rider fatigue on extended journeys. The motorcycle's footpeg positioning and handlebar height offer an upright and natural riding posture, which enhances overall comfort and control. For riders who plan on carrying luggage, the V-Strom 1050 features integrated mounting points for panniers and top cases, making it easier to load gear for extended adventures. In terms of aesthetics, the 2025 V-Strom 1050 retains its rugged adventure bike styling while incorporating modern design elements. The aggressive front fairing, inspired by Suzuki's legendary DRZ Dakar rally bike, gives it a bold presence on the road. LED headlights and taillights not only improve visibility but also add to the motorcycle's contemporary look. The color options for 2025 include a mix of classic Suzuki adventure tones and fresh, modern palettes, catering to different rider preferences. Off-road capabilities have been improved with better ground clearance and an enhanced suspension system. The front suspension consists of fully adjustable inverted forks, allowing riders to fine-tune the settings based on terrain and riding style. The rear monoshock is also adjustable, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride even when carrying additional weight. The wire spoke wheels, wrapped in tubeless adventure tires, provide excellent grip on both paved roads and dirt trails. Technology plays a significant role in modern adventure motorcycles, and Suzuki has ensured that the V-Strom 1050 is equipped with cutting-edge features. A new TFT instrument cluster provides a clear and intuitive interface, displaying essential information such as speed, fuel level, gear position, and navigation prompts. Bluetooth connectivity allows riders to pair their smartphones, enabling access to music, calls, and notifications. Suzuki's smartphone app integration further enhances the riding experience, offering GPS navigation and ride data tracking. Fuel efficiency remains a strong point for the V-Strom 1050, making it an excellent choice for long-distance touring. The motorcycle's aerodynamic design and advanced fuel injection system contribute to impressive mileage figures, reducing the need for frequent refueling stops. With a generous fuel tank capacity, riders can confidently embark on extended journeys without constantly worrying about running low on fuel. Suzuki has also focused on safety by incorporating a suite of rider assistance features. The motion track brake system, combined with the 6-axis IMU, ensures optimal braking performance in various conditions. Hill hold control prevents the bike from rolling backward on inclines, while slope-dependent control adjusts braking power based on terrain angle. These features make the V-Strom 1050 a reliable and secure companion for adventure riders. For those who enjoy customization, Suzuki offers a range of accessories to tailor the V-Strom 1050 to individual preferences. From heated grips and auxiliary lighting to skid plates and luggage options, riders can enhance their motorcycle to suit specific touring or off-road needs. The availability of factory-approved accessories ensures compatibility and durability, making it easy to personalize the bike for any adventure. Riders who appreciate a balance between performance, comfort, and technology will find the 2025 V-Strom 1050 to be an excellent choice. Whether tackling rugged trails, cruising on highways, or exploring remote destinations, this adventure bike is built to handle it all. Its combination of power, versatility, and modern features makes it a standout option in the competitive adventure touring market. The 2025 Suzuki V-Strom 1050 is a motorcycle that embraces the spirit of adventure while providing the reliability and performance that Suzuki is known for. With its refined engine, advanced electronics, and rugged design, it is ready to take on any journey with confidence. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a rider looking to embark on new adventures, the V-Strom 1050 is a machine that promises excitement, comfort, and dependability on every ride.